Hey guys, it's Michelle here from Fine Natural Hair and Faith. Welcome if you're new here, welcome back if you're not. I am getting ready to go out today. As of the recording of this video, it is Mother's Day. And so I am going to show you all how I get more volume with my curly styles. It's a very simple process. I talked about it in a quick tips video, which I'll leave linked down below. And by the way, excuse the attire. This is actually my house dress. Anyway, just to get right started, I do less sections. I did a little bit more than I had intended because I flat twisted this time around. But I basically have 9 sections in my hair. If I were to do individual twists, I would do maybe 6. Or if I were to do a braid out, I'd probably do 4 at the most. But because I did flat twists, I did a little bit more. So working quickly, I did set the ends of my hair with perm rods so that I would have some, definition. Typically, if I do my hair and I'm working product through, my ends can come out a little bit choppy. So I put the perm rods on the end. And I don't have my hands oiled or anything because actually the product that I use to set my twist actually has a lot of oil in it. So I'll take out the sections. And with twist outs that are done with flat twist, you have to be careful because the sections aren't perfectly even at the root area, but you will get some more texture at the root when you do flat twists. Okay, so as you can see, I don't have super amounts of volume, but it's also not super flat. And that is because I did use less sections. However, one thing I would like to note is I don't want to over fluff, but in order to give myself a bit more lift at the roots, the important thing to do is to kind of train your roots to be upwards. And in order to do that, I put my hair in a pineapple while I'm getting dressed, and it helps my roots to be more lifted and it kind of trains it to stay. So I'm just going to use this little elastic band. I'm going to pull my hair forward. I'm pulling my hair through just one time, and I'm just going to let it stay like this while I'm getting dressed. That is all that I'm going to do, and I will be back once I'm dressed to show you the final look. So I'm back. I had to get dressed and everything, and I put this over my head because I didn't want any steam that was already in the bathroom to kind of take over. But this is how I have my hair up. It just trains the roots to be up. It's been about 30 minutes. And then, like, you see how automatically it will fall into place, but I'll have a little bit more volume in the top of my head. So the longer you do this process, the more your roots will be lifted, but I don't have as much time. So I'm just going to work with what I got, but this is a way that you can get more volume to your curly hairstyles. Now I'm going to go and lay these edges. And like maybe pick my root up a little bit. Like you see this right here, I can get more lift, but it takes longer to do that. But this is really okay for me. Like, it's really okay. But I will share pics at the end. My hair will also kind of swell a little bit as the day goes by, and that's one thing that is really good when there's a little bit of humidity in the air. I don't worry about frizz because, to be honest, frizz helps your hair to be a little bit more voluminous because it's swelling. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. God bless you, and I hope you have a happy Mother's Day. I hope you had a happy Mother's Day, because by the time I post this, Mother's Day will have been over. Anyway, thank you, and I will see you in the next video. God bless.